One of the things I love about having a small dog is they can just. Whoop. Look at that puppy. Her little foot's hanging. Look at your puppy. Love you, Eddie. Okay, back into the warm. So cute. So small. So itty bitty. I like having a small dog. Another reason why is because whenever they're all nice and snuggly against you, hi, Whitey, is when look at that face. Look at that bed head. Oh my goodness. But another thing, are you gonna yawn? Yawn. Another thing is that whenever they're all snuggled up and whatnot, is whenever they're dreaming and they're on your lap and you can feel it. She's obviously not dreaming now because she's awake, but oh my goodness, they're so cute. Yawn. Cute puppy. I love you, Twilight. Cute puppy. Okay. You go back into the warm. Go have another dream. I think you should have another dream because you're adorable. And the little twitches, the little doggo twitches of your tiny feet. Your little feet. Oh, you're so stinking cute. Okay, back into the warm. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I keep disturbing you with my wiggling. I love you. Back into the warm. Cute puppy. Oh, so tiny. Oh, so itty bitty.